Freezing your credit will help prevent somebody else from using your personal information to open up new credit accounts. But boy, if you're coming to watch this video, you probably have already been frustrated at how not straightforward the process has been. Of course, you have to make an account with each of the 3 bureaus and then manage the freezes that way. So in this video, I'll break it down. I have already gone through all the trial and errors myself, including messing with all their broken apps and their little hoops that they've tried to make you jump through. But I'll be showing you the easiest way to make an account and freeze your credit on each of the 3 major credit bureaus, and all of this completely for free. So let's jump right into it, starting with Experian. For Experian, I recommend that you go online to this link, which I'll leave in the description box along with the other contact information for the 3 credit bureaus. So you want to set up an account with them. After making your account, go back to that same link that I have in the description, and then you should sign in, and you will probably see this landing page where they try to upsell their membership, which would allow you to also freeze your credit report, but at a hefty price. You want to bypass that crap by scrolling all the way to the bottom where it says, no, keep my current membership. And then if you started on the link that I had provided, then you should go directly to this page concerning the security freeze. So you can see there's a really big switch right in the center of the screen where you can easily freeze your credit. And then if you wanted to unfreeze it because you're applying for a credit line, then you can just as easily within seconds just unfreeze it. Or if you want to just temporarily schedule a thaw, you can also do so from this screen. Although Experian also has a mobile app version, you pretty much will not be able to find this free version of the credit freeze. Trust me, I have tried. So just bookmark this page on your laptop, on your phone, so you can just quickly go to it when you need to. Next, let's tackle Transunion. So this one's pretty easy too. Again, recommend that you go straight to the web browser link that I have in the description, create an account with them, and this one is not as difficult. There's no gimmicks that they try to sell you. There's even a dedicated section for credit freezing, and once again, you just need to click the button. In seconds, you can freeze it, unfreeze it, or schedule a thaw. Once again, just bookmark this in your web browser because their app is really weird. You can sign in, but then it'll say that you have incorrect login information and it makes you try to sign in again, which is basically just a built-in web browser in the Transunion app. So skip all that and just go directly to the mobile browsing link. Finally, we get to Equifax because 3 of the 4 times I've tried to access this link, it's been broken. I've tried it with and without VPN because sometimes that does matter, but it's kind of a hit or miss when this link decides to work. So just try it a couple times during the week to see if it'll work for you. Otherwise, the alternative is pretty much to pick up the phone and call them, which I have not tried and I don't really want to try. Their lack of a working app and website doesn't really instill confidence in me. But at some point, I was able to get access to the website. I actually used it on my phone. You can also try, your laptop versus your phone to see if that makes a difference. But make an account with them again, and then it's pretty easy to find where the credit freeze is, and then you know the drill from there. Hopefully this video saved you a lot of headache. If it did, definitely smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.